These are my solid reasons to why I say this. I know a lot of people don't want to hear this, but sometimes you have to accept the truth even though it is hurting. Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Ben. If you're new here, you're most welcome. So in today's video, I'm going to be talking about shorts. But the sad story, the sad thing about today's video is that I'm going to be talking them down. Before you comment, before you skip this video, before you stop watching this video, I want you to listen to my solid reasons. I know a lot of people don't want to hear this, but this is the truth. So a lot of creators upload shorts, not that because they want to monetize their shorts, but they upload shorts because they want to grow their YouTube channels. And that could be the reason to why you also upload shorts. You know, when you upload shorts, you get more subscribers, you get more views, you go viral, you actually go viral. Now, when you post shorts, people subscribe to your channel, as I said, you get views. But the subscribers, the people who subscribe to your channel, they don't watch your videos. They don't watch your long-form videos. And remember, the YouTube algorithm to recommend your videos, it depends on your subscribers, the people who subscribe to your channel. If the people who subscribe to your channel watch your long-form videos, the algorithm literally recommends, promotes, and it saturates your videos, the long-form videos, to more viewers. But if the people who subscribe to your channel, they don't watch your long-form videos, my brother, my sister, your videos will actually not perform well. I've seen this channel. There is a channel I know. This guy has over 150K. Even right now as I'm speaking, he may be around 160, 170K subscribers. But when he uploads a long-form video, my brother, believe me, he only gets 1K views from 150K subscribers. He gets only 1K views. That's not healthy. This guy has to get more than 10K views per day. Yes, per day, he has to get 10K views. But to be so embarrassed, he gets only 1K views. Even to get 1K views, it takes him more than 3 days. But he has the subscribers. He has the subscribers. And not only him, I know you guys actually see such channels. You get someone has a lot of subscribers, he creates shorts, the shorts perform well, but the long-form videos are dying. Do you know the reason why? Because the people who subscribe to him, the subscribers that you see in his count, they are subscribers from shorts. And those people don't watch his long-form videos, okay? They don't watch his long-form videos. And that's the reason why he's not getting the views on his long-form videos. Now, this is the baddest thing. This is what ruins it all. The shorts monetization terms and the long-form monetization terms, the shorts terms are so hard to meet. But the long-form, they are so easy to meet. That's one. The second thing, if you're monetized on the shorts form content and you're monetized on the long form content, this person who is monetized on the long form content gets more money, gets paid more than the person who is monetized on the shorts form content. Every 1K views on a long form videos, YouTube pays between $5 to $50. It depends on the niche and the content you make, everything. But it is between $5 to $50 per 1,000 views. But with the short form videos, 1K views is paid with 60 cents. 60 cents, 1K views. Here, $5 to $50, 1K views, depending on your niche and stuff. You see, that is a very big difference. Getting monetized on long form videos, it is 1K subscribers and 4,000 watch hours. Getting monetized on shorts form videos, it is 1K subscribers and 10 million views. Hey, this is too much. Can you really make 10 million views on shorts feed? You know, I uploaded a lot of shorts, but I never even got 1 million views. Oh my God. Now sit down and calculate, compare between the two. Choose one kind of content that you can actually maintain. I don't know how many shorts you need to upload per day to meet the 10 million views. And yes, you get the subscribers here in the shorts feed. You get the views, but they'll help you nothing at the end of the day. You will not get monetized because it is hard to get the 10 million views. So you will just get the subscribers. We shall come on your channel and see you have 10K subscribers, but you're not monetized. Yes, you will not get monetized. You see, I have 6K subscribers. I'm almost approaching 7K, but I'm not monetized. It is because of this shorts kind. I've seen a lot of people, someone is having 2K subscribers and is monetized. Someone is having 1K subscribers and they are earning from the YPP. Yes, so I don't want you to face the same thing I'm facing. Save your channel, save your content, save your time before it is too late. If you have ears, please hear. Shorts don't have any kind of journey unless you do shorts as shorts and do longs and longs. Separate channels. Make a shorts channel and a long form channel. And if you're making shorts, you have to make sure that every single day at least upload 5 shorts. 5 shorts per day. That could be somehow compatible to meet the 10 million views in 90 days. That's what even I forgot to tell you. You have to meet 10 million views in 90 days, not 1 year, not 2 years, 90 days. This is 3 months. In 3 months, you have to have 10 million views. Oh my God. My brother, my sister, wake up, and do something that will save you your time. Do something that will save your channel. I'm going to talk about long form videos. The long form videos, you know, the channel actually grows slowly. But with time, I don't think I can make YouTube. I can do YouTube for 6 months, posting my videos, quality videos, and not get monetized according to the experience that I have right now. Yes, before I can be judged, but I didn't know what to do. But right now, according to the knowledge that I have right now, I cannot do this YouTube for 6 months with posting long form videos and not get monetized. No, it cannot happen. So with the long form videos, just give it time. Don't bother about getting a lot of subscribers. Just focus on getting 1K subscribers and build that 1K subscribers to be organic subscribers. Let them be the people who come and watch your videos because they are subscribed to watch your videos, not because they want to support your channel, get subscribers. That is something very important. First, build your 1K subscribers. Let them be organic. Let them be the kind of people that want to watch your content, not that because they just want to support you. My brother, I'm so sure you can never fail if you build that 1K subscribers organic. And after that, wait to be paid. This person will get a lot of subscribers, but will not get any single coin. I told you I have a friend of mine, he's a Nigerian guy. He has 160 something. He's almost approaching 170. He's not monetized, but he has a very big count of subscribers. Now, this is my honest advice to all creators out there. If you know that you're a small YouTuber, if you know that you're a beginning YouTuber, don't mix shorts and long form videos, because at the end of the day, you will lose everything. You'll not get monetized. Even when you struggle and get monetized, you will not get paid the money that you expect YouTube to pay. Okay? So choose one content. You may ask me, why do big creators upload shorts? As we know, let me give you an example. Mr. Beast. Mr. Beast is a person who is very well known as the biggest YouTuber on YouTube, and everyone knows him. Even when I don't watch his video, someone else will. And even when the YouTube algorithm doesn't recommend his video to me, I'll go and search Mr. Beast and watch his recent upload on a long form content. You get? So the big YouTubers, not only Mr. Beast, every big YouTuber, they have already made their name. Anyone can search for them. But with you, no one knows you. You're just building your community. So don't allow the things that you ruins, the things that kills your community. Remember the reason to why you created that channel, and don't lose your focus. Focus on it. If you created that channel to create long form videos, create that. If you created that channel to create shorts videos, create that. But before creating that, think about everything that I've taught you. Calculate, compare, and see what is better. My last word I can say is that shorts monetization terms are so hard to meet. The 10 million views in 90 days. 10 million views in 90 days. 3 months. In 3 months to have 10 million views, that is very, very hard to meet. Thank you so much for watching. That was for today. See you in the next video. Bye-bye.